Team, Coach Sam and Coach Christian here to break down the bench press. Make sure that your feet are flat on the floor and your bum and head are on the bench. Keep your eyes on the barbell with your feet directly under your knees and slightly turned out. The thumb should meet the rough and smooth of the bar. Externally rotate your shoulders, retract your shoulder blades, and push your lats towards your hips, maintaining a stable upper back. Take a big breath in, bracing your core and quads, and lower the bar to your chest. Then push the bar away from you and back to the starting position. Reset and repeat the process. Ensure your arms are 45 degrees to your rib cage, and be sure to breathe and brace every single rep. This is paramount. A couple of don'ts. Don't have your head hanging off the bench, and don't let the bar hit the hooks. If so, fix your positioning. Don't protract your shoulder blades. Well, that's it from us, team. We can't wait to see you tomorrow, benching some solid numbers and giving this a red hot crack. Let's get it, crew.